Hello, this is Moz. I'm here to share this MRED data, which comes out every Tuesday. Uh, and it came out last today, and it gives the data for the last week. And it's a weekly data. It really helps and gives the understanding what's going on in the Chicago and the Illinois market. What are the trends? It really helps me find uh, uh, good numbers so I can evaluate the market every week. So here we go. Slide number one is the closed listing. They are down. Closed listings are down uh, from this year's highest. They're still pretty significantly down to only 2,265. But the biggest uh, highlight of this data, which will come in up slides a little bit further, is the median housing price, which is lowest in this year, and it's getting week over week, it's getting down every week. So that's a big highlight, and it'll be interesting to see. Listings under contract, uh, they are a little bit similar to the last week, but they are still, how they were and what they are. They are really down, and I don't think there is a hope that they will go up, because usually in winter or in fall, real estate market tends to go down. Less listings, less under contract, so people are not buying as much properties. So here you can see like a new listings also. They are down from last week, 5,563 new listing came, and this week 5,290 listing. Rented also down 501 uh, rented listings. Uh, they were like at peak in August. I feel like right here 1,362, and pretty similar last year also in August and last week of July 1987, and after that they start to come down, and this year they also start to come down. So it happens every year, and it's similar kind of a trend that in fall they start to come down, and happening again this year. Active and temporary listing from March 28, it was 41,729, and now if we look, they are 48,599. This number is staying in the same range from about July, uh, second week of July, 48, 49,000. I'm not seeing much changes in this particular data here, and it looks kind of settled and not moving a lot. So that's uh, the situation is really good here, stabilized. Open houses, uh, if you look, they increased, so it is a good thing. It means like the realtors, they are trying to sell. They're holding more. They're more active. They're holding more open houses. They want to sell it. They are active, so that's a good indication. Like they want to sell, always good. Now they want to find a buyer, which will be the best if they can. Uh, so this is big increase if you look at the last first week of September to the third week. That's a big increase from almost 2,000 to 3,200. So it's pretty significant increase. Then we are going to sold prices. Uh, that's uh, that's a really one thing I wanted to share. Last week, okay, this is previous year. This is current year. So I take that back, as this current year uh, median sold price increased from the last week from 275 to 285. So that's a good thing. Uh, it was high as 327 and 320 in April, and 327 in May and first week of June, and then after that it was just dropping a little bit, and it came down to 275. Now it's going back up. I don't know if it's just a uh for 1 week it's going back up, or it's just a late fall, and trying to people trying to buy properties, and it's increasing the value here. Uh, Rented prices. There is also a significant, not so significant increase. 1850 to 1900. 1900 was same as first week of September, so it came back to 1900. So yeah, there you go, guys. This is a really nice letter, and I hope that helps you to give the understanding of what's going on in real estate in Chicago and Illinois, Midwest area, and hope to see you soon again next week. Uh, yeah, bye.